OnePlus Ace is out. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you're all doing well. OnePlus Ace is around the corner and the release date is confirmed. Meanwhile, we see a hands-on video of OnePlus Ace and even unboxing videos, and also the Geekbench score is out for the OnePlus Ace. OnePlus is going to release OnePlus Ace on April 21st in China and other countries in the following month. But before the official launch, OnePlus Ace appeared in Chinese livestream where now the design is confirmed. The previous renders were right where we see 3 lenses on the back and the OnePlus logo at the bottom right. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below OnePlus Ace or Google Pixel 6a, which one would you prefer? The hands-on video of the OnePlus Ace was out by Twitter account named Technology Edge, where we confirmed the design. But what's surprising for me is OnePlus Ace software looks more like the Oppo Color OS, which I personally don't like much, but Oxygen OS with stock Android looks much better. So let's hope we will get the OnePlus own skin unlike the Oppo ones. OnePlus Ace comes with 3 lenses on the back, 50 megapixel main lens, 8 megapixel ultra wide and just 2 megapixel macro and 16 megapixel front camera. Comes with 6.7 inches Full HD plus 120Hz AMOLED display with MediaTek Dimensity 8100 along with 6 gigs or 12 gigs of RAM. The Geekbench for the OnePlus Ace is out where we see these specs are confirmed. The leaked Geekbench score says 962 single-core score and 3819 multi-core score. The phone is more like a rebranded version of Realme GT Neo 3, and an amazing feature that might shock you that OnePlus is trying 150 watt fast charging in OnePlus 8. Let's see how fast it will be because the battery isn't too big, just 4500 mAh. There's also a chance that OnePlus Ace will be renamed to OnePlus 10R in some regions including India. According to the leaks, the phone will come with the 2 colors black and blue with the rounded edges. Now budget users or mid-range user can avail this device. The price is expected between $450 to $500 and this could potentially a head-on competitor to iPhone SE3, Google Pixel 6a, Samsung Galaxy A73 or A53. So for now, user gets a lot of options to avail this year. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below OnePlus Ace or Google Pixel 6a. Which one would you prefer? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.